4 years ago, my partner and I decided to dive into the deep end to build a sustainable community. We bought a farm and started growing food. Then my tractor broke. I paid to get it fixed. It broke again. And then soon enough, I was broke too. So I began working on a low-cost, industrial-strength Lego set of machines that became known as the Global Village Construction Set. We have now built several prototypes, starting with a compressed earth brick press, prototype 1, then prototype 2, until the full product release that could produce up to 16 bricks per minute. Then we built a tractor, prototype 1 with a backhoe. We then simplified the design in prototype 2, adding tracks and a detachable power unit. Then we prototyped soil pulverizer 1, streamlined in prototype 2, then power cube self-contained engine unit prototype 1, streamlined in prototype 2, then a string trimmer, front end loader, CNC torch table, micro tractor, metal lathe, 150-ton hole puncher, heavy-duty drill press, and band sawmill. To build the above, we typically use the acetylene torch, gas-shielded welder, metal cut-off saw, metal grinder, hole puncher, heavy-duty drill press, and other hand tools. We are currently using the tractor for producing electricity, lifting cars, moving bales, laying green roof, munching bales, backhoeing, disking, digging with a tooth bar bucket, planting trees, pulverizing soil, powering the CEB press, rototilling, augering fence posts, and even extracting honey with an extractor and a DIY hot knife. In agriculture, we raised chickens, built a chicken incubator, then prototype 2, with which we hatched some chicks. We raised milk goats, ducks, geese, piglet, assisted by a dog and a cat. We gardened. We raised hydroponic lettuce, planted wheat, made sorghum syrup, grafted hundreds of trees, layered rootstocks, grafted walnuts and wild trees, wildcrafted, grew peaches, and even combined. We ate lots of melons, sweet potatoes, built solar dehydrators, and a few heavy hoes. On other fronts, we dug a water well, we collected rainwater and solar energy, built a bale spike, began building a 3D printer, made a hydraulic mower, converted a cement mixer to hydraulic power, flared oil with an atomizer, pressed thousands of bricks, gasified wood, built an off-grid workshop, planted green roofs, produced biodiesel, built a submersible pump piston, got a 4,000-pound-old lathe, built PV panels, prototyped solar concentrators, built a greenhouse, built a hexayurt, and some solar cubicles. After all this, the project began to grow on its own. Right now, our goal is to complete the Global Village Construction Set, all 50 tools, by gathering a large parallel development team and a $2.4 million budget by year-end 2012. We still have a long way to go. We didn't yet prototype the microcart, truck, bulldozer, multi-machine CNC mill with surface grinder, cold saw, abrasive saw, bandsaw, heavy-duty drill press, lathe, dimensional sawmill, welder, plasma cutter, metal rolling, wire and rod mill, gas-fire burner, steam generator, modern steam engine, solar concentrator electric system, universal seeder, spader, microcombine, hammer mill, hay rake, baler, trencher, cement mixer, well drilling rig, bakery oven, 50 kilowatt wind turbine, milking machine, universal rotor, press forge, iron worker machine, pelletizer, hydraulic motors, electrical motor generator, induction furnace, bioplastic extruder for greenhouse glazing, aluminum extraction from clay, industrial robotic arm, laser cutter, plus a hay cutter, 3D scanner, inverter and universal power supply, and a permaculture nursery. That's it. Total of 50. Join us in this work. Let's build a new civilization.